Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to fix Google Gemini avatar option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Gemini, update Gemini app if available Play Store or App Store. Tap on Hold Gemini, click on App Info or I button, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Storage, tap on Delete. Go to Gemini, click on plus icon, avatar option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.